Hey guys, welcome to the Agile channel. This is Anatoly. We're talking everything Agile, Agile tools. I keep on answering your guys' questions. And one of the most common questions is how to find tickets, issues created within certain dates. So you have 2 dates and you want to find all the tickets created within those 2 days. How would you do that? I'm going to show you how to do it today. It's very easy, and I'm going to show you a couple of ways how to do it via jQuery language and how to do it via just a search. Before I do that, couple things. If you want to learn Jira in about 1 day, go to the description, find my course, and get it because it's very affordable. It allows you to go from beginner to advanced in about 8 hours. People love it. Second thing is, if you are completely stuck and there's a lot of things that you don't know how to do in terms of Jira or Agile, Scrum, Kanban, and you need somebody to help. You need me to help. You trust me, you can go to description and get a time in my calendar. There's a calendar link so you can just book an hour with me, 2 hours, whatever you want. We can talk and I can help you out. And the last thing is, if you want my team and myself to help you to go for Agile transformation, your company needs some help with Jira maintenance, setup, or Agile, please go to financial.com, schedule a consultation. We'll be happy to help. And now let's get to this issue. So we have project, which doesn't really matter in this case because we can find issues in the date range between all the projects, one project, it doesn't really matter. All you have to do is to find a search bar, click on search, and go to advanced issue search, which is actually one of my favorite screens in Jira, period. And they made it very, very nice. So you have two options. If you see something like this, you can switch to basic, and then you'll see something like this. So JQL is Jira query language. You can create it writing a little bit of code, or you can switch to basic. Of course, Jira query language is more advanced. You can do more things with that, but for what we need right now, we don't even need it. And I'm gonna show you. Just click on more, and you find created date, updated date, whatever you want. So I'll say created date. And here it already says in between. So you click in between, you select 2 dates, and that's about it. You click update, you will find all tickets created in this range. If you want a particular project, you just click on a project, select a project. If you want a particular type, you click on type. If you want what's done in this particular time period, you can have it as done. If you want to save it, you can save it as a filter. So there are many ways how to do this. If you want to see how it's done via Jira query language, after you selected all of this, you click to switch to JQL, and now you can copy paste in a quick filter or do whatever you want. You have it in JQL as well. So it's very, very robust and very easy to do. There's a lot of other options, like if you want 3 weeks, in range of 3 weeks, you do something like that. More than certain minutes ago, more than hours ago, more than days ago. So it's very, very robust. It allows you to do all those kind of things. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, let me know. If you think it brought you value, please like and subscribe because we're creating those videos almost every week and it will be very beneficial for you to be a subscriber. Thank you for watching and I appreciate you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.